I'll guide you through enabling and customizing bullet comments on Bilibili in just a few simple steps. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Bullet comments, also known as Danmaku, are Bilibili's signature feature that lets real-time comments stream right across your video screen, and by default, it's not enabled. To manage bullet comments on your smartphone, open the Bilibili app and play any video. Tap anywhere on the video screen to reveal the player controls. Look for the small bullet comment icon near the bottom left or right corner of the player, which looks like a small box with lines or a speech bubble. Tapping this button instantly turns the flying comments on or off. If the comments feel too overwhelming, tap the settings gear icon inside the player, select Danmaku settings, and adjust the opacity slider, font size, or scroll speed to customize how the comments look while you watch. You can also click the gear icon next to the switch to filter out top or bottom fixed comments, change text color, or block specific keywords from showing on screen. To send your own bullet comment, simply tap or click the Send Danmaku text box under the video player. Type out your message, tap the formatting icon to customize your text color or screen position, and press Send to see your comment fly across the video in real time. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.